So today we're going to take a look at a new backpack. We call this the Mount Rogers, which is the highest point in Virginia, just for those of you that don't know. We're doing it in coyote and blue at the moment. And basically what you've got here it's a 1000 Denier Cordura. It opens up with 2 giant zippers, peels right open. It's got a flip top lid so you can access the top without having to peel it open. On the side you've got 3 sections of webbing here so that you can MOLLE attach pouches, water bottles, whatever, things like that. 2 at the top that we're going to use later for accessories as we go. 2 loops at the bottom, again for attachment points for accessories. On the back we've got a handle so you can grab it and carry it. We've got 2-inch wide shoulder straps with a piece of leather, so the leather actually kind of helps take the load. The nylon 2-inch nylon padded strap in the back is actually what sort of supports and holds all the weight, but the leather sort of molds to you and makes it a little more comfortable to carry. The shoulder straps are actually removable, so if you wanted to take them off, you can. You can actually pop those things off, put them out of the way, and then you can use the top 2 tabs to lash it to something else if you want to. It measures 16 tall, 5 inches deep. It tapers up to about 2.5 at the top, and it's 12 inches wide. And on the inside, like a lot of our bags, we've lined it with a high-vis orange, so you get plenty of light inside it. Double zipper, peels it open. You're looking at, we can hold 1 non-life-size bear, a non-life-size moose, and 1, 2, 3 life-size squirrels, and a really non-life-size Christmassy bear. So on the inside, basically you've got 2 generous pieces of Velcro, 2 4-inch pieces of Velcro that run the length of it. This is part of the pouch kit that we're going to talk about later, this will hold pouches vertically, so you can add pouches if you want. Again, big piece of Velcro across the front. This is like 19 inches long, so there's a lot of room to stick stuff to. And you've also got a sleeve in here, so if you want to drop a hydration bladder or sleeve a small laptop in here, it fits Surface Pros, and most of the MacBook stuff kind of fits in there. Again, the pocket's 12 inches wide, 16 inches deep, so you can kind of do the measure on that. The thing that I like about the bag is that when it sits down, the sides will actually hold open when it's got stuff in it. So it kind of cradles, it gives you some cradle area, right? So it actually kind of gives you some boundaries to this. And the more you leave the front flap zipped open a little bit and just folded, the more it gives you this sort of interior box space to kind of keep stuff, see stuff, and sort stuff, if that makes sense. So in the bag, here's what we got. Inside the bag, they're set up so that you can grab this, open it up, and what you see here is, bag, name tape, name tape, name tape. So you can see exactly what you've got in the bag, zip it up, grab what you want. You could add another small pouch to this if you wanted. So it gives you the ability to kind of organize this kit, right? And the sides kind of stay up, holds the whole thing in here. But if I want to take it all out, I can lay it down, grab them, and that whole pouch kit comes out in one foul swoop. So I could have this kitted, use it for something, and then if I want to just pull it out of there, use the backpack separate, I can do that. So now I can use the backpack day in and day out carry, and bam, I've got gear in here. I pull it out, my gear stays together, I put it back in the bag. And the whole goal of all our stuff is sort of modularity and multiple functions. So I just drop the pouch kit back in the bag and zip it up. Oops. Zip the whole thing up, and everything that I had in there comes in and out really easy, but the bag's still usable by itself. That's kind of the fun piece about it for me. The slick thing about this pouch kit is they stick together. So basically you can take one, stick it to another, and they all kind of hold together. Across the top, you've got an ID placard, and you've got 2 pieces of hook Velcro or hook across the back, a nice number 8 zipper, easy pull, and basically 1000 Denier Cordura. This holds 2 life-size nesting squirrels pretty easily with a lot of room to spare. So it gives you a pretty good amount of room. So anyway, that's our Mount Rogers pouch kit extravaganza. Leather straps, love the bag. Really excited about the bag. This is it, me walking away, bag. I forgot, you can get this at blueridgeoverlandgear.com, backpacks, Mount Rogers. Thanks for taking the time to check it out.